So with the power of OnStar technology connected to the mobile app, you can remotely start your car simply by tapping a button on the screen. You can also lock your car, unlock it, or you can even remotely honk the horn and flash the lights if you want to find your way back to your car. So let's go ahead and remotely start the Cadillac behind me. It's as simple as just pressing a button, confirming that it's in a safe place. And in a few seconds, through OnStar, the vehicle will start up, and I'll get a confirmation message back on my phone that my vehicle started. Through the power of the OnStar technology in this application, you have access to your vehicle's data anytime you want it. So if you want to check your oil, or check your tires, or check your OnStar hands-free calling minutes, they're all here right at the touch of your fingers. You can also take OnStar with you wherever you are. So if you need an OnStar advisor, you can simply press a button to call an OnStar advisor. Or if you need roadside assistance, it's also at your fingertips, as well as if you need access to your dealer. Let's say you wanted to schedule an appointment for service. They're all right there. The OnStar technology allows you to remotely control your vehicle literally anywhere you are. Where with the key fob you need to be close enough to be able to lock or unlock or start it. Here, wherever you are, you have access to your vehicle's features remotely. For instance, let's say you're going on a business trip to San Francisco and you left your car in the airport parking lot. Maybe you're not sure that you locked it. You can simply touch a button through the power of the OnStar technology in this application and have the peace of mind to know that your doors are locked.